Yo, what's up poppin' guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we're gonna be reacting to YouTube play button. New play button. 100 million new play button. This is gonna be pretty cool. Alright? Reacting to play buttons. I think some of them are gonna be fake. I heard that PewDiePie and T-Series, they have a Ruby play button and the blue diamond play button. Ruby 50 million. The blue diamond 100 million. There's a bro fist on the Ruby play. So enough chatting. Let's just start the video. Oh wait. Guys, this is crazy. They're literally playing my song. They are playing my outro song. Look. They are literally playing my outro song. They are playing my outro song. You see? Jackson's old outro song, full version. And I was the one that posted. Okay, turn off. I literally can't believe they added my song. My outro song. I just can't believe it. Okay, let's just get into the video. Subscribers. Silver play button. I want a play button.
I don't want to waste what's left.
1 million subscribers for the golden play button.
No, I don't want to waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Here comes my favorite one. Here comes Diamond play button. 10 million subscribers.
We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
You see the brofist on it? Oh, and there's the T-Series over there. They're not real. Million subscribers, 100 million subs.
No, I don't want no
200 million
rest.
The green diamond. I just saw the puppet. For the green diamond play button. 400 million for, I think, the stone play button. 800 million subscribers for the YouTube kids. Oh man, that's gotta be fake. Why would lightning come out? That's gotta be fake. The video is 4 minutes. That is so fake, super fake. 1,000 million subscribers. That's gotta be fake. Ooh, wait, are you gonna put that on your finger? Is it a ring? 2,000 million subscribers for this, the YouTube Galaxy ring. I kinda want it. Even when it's fake. 4,000 million for whatever that is. The Galaxy play button. Cause I see the galaxies over. I even see Neptune over there. I think I see the Milky Way.
And we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon.
Oh my God! 9 million for the Milky Way play button. I think.
Highways, till the shadow, through the sun rays, and
get subs, the people won't stop subscribing.
Hold me
Here are my
close till I get
videos.
up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever
What the-
trust. Yeah, no, I
I-
don't wanna waste what's.
I already have an outro. Why are you even giving me this one? Oh my guys, that was pretty cool that it has my song. But see you guys later. Goodbye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake.